If you have not yet subscribed to the channel, click on the subscribe button and hit all bell icon to get notification on channel updates. Hello viewers! Today I am sharing you a very healthy breakfast recipe, Oats Upma. It is not only a weight loss recipe but keeps you fuller for a longer time. Oats are a very good source of fiber and controls blood sugar and cholesterol levels. Let us begin. Take 1 cup of oats. I am using thin. You can also use thick oats called old-fashioned oats. Dry roast in medium flame for 2 to 3 minutes till it turns golden brown color. Keep it aside. To the same pan, add 2 tablespoons of oil. Now add mustard seeds, cumin seeds or jeera, groundnuts as many as you like, 1 spoon of chana dal. Fry for a while. Now add chopped onions, green chilies and curry leaves. Add vegetables as per your taste. You can add carrots, beans, potatoes or green peas. Add little turmeric powder and rock salt. Keep the flame low and close the lid. Let it cook for 1 minute. Now add required amount of water. For thin oats, add 1½ cup of water as it absorbs water more easily and cooks faster. For thick oats, add 2 cups of water. Keep the flame high and bring it to boil. Add salt as per taste. As water starts boiling, keep the flame low and slowly add the roasted oats. Stir well. Allow it to cook for 2 to 3 minutes in low flame. Thick oats might take 5 minutes to cook. You can see no water is left now and the oats are cooked. Finally, garnish with coriander leaves. Serve this hot oats upma to your family.